Om Sakti. How to worship Mother Nature at home. In an oracle dated the 30th of June 2020, Amma blessed us with a procedure to worship Mother Nature at our homes for Ani Paurnami, the full moon day on the 4th of July 2020 for the welfare of mankind. Materials required for Ani, July 4th, 2020, full moon day Paurnami nature worship include the following: banana stem, turmeric powder, banana flower, small unripe bananas, banana leaf, rice flour and jaggery for preparing a flour lamp, that is maavilakku, ghee or oil, cotton wick, a little palm jaggery, garlic, pepper, mint. Procedure: on the Paurnami day, arrange the banana leaf on a plate. Slice a small circular piece from the banana stem and keep it aside. Place the remaining large banana stem upright on the banana leaf. Place the face of the deity, that is Amman, made from turmeric paste, on the top part of the stem. Alternately, if available, a Varalakshmi Amman face can also be used. The banana florets in the banana flower should be decorated like a skirt and wrapped around the stem. The small unripe bananas should be dressed as the hands of the deity. Take the sliced circular portion of banana stem, place the maavilakku on it and sprinkle a little palm jaggery over it. Place the deity on a plate in your prayer room. Light the maavilakku in front of the deity. Now all family members should come together and worship as below. The worship sequence is as follows: 1. The Moola Mantra. 2. The 108 Guru Potri. 3. The Moola Mantra again. 4. The 108 Potri Tiruvuru. 5. Meditate on the benefits and gifts of nature. Mentally worship Mother, Father, Guru and the Divine Mother Adi Parashakti. Pray for a blessed and unbroken lineage. After the worship, the turmeric paste should be dissolved in water and sprinkled everywhere in the house. Consume the maavilakku and palm jaggery together. The banana stem, small circular piece and the long stem should be cooked along with pepper powder, garlic and mint and eaten by the family members. For those who have difficulty chewing, the same can be blended into a juice along with the ingredients and consumed. Similarly, the banana flower and the small unripe bananas used in the decoration can be cooked with pepper powder, garlic, mint and consumed by the family members. Thus, on the day of Ani Paurnami, we hereby request everyone to perform this nature worship as advised by Amma and seek blessings for prosperity. Om Sakti.